friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today's topic is Indian states. In India, we have 28 states and 9 union territories. Let's see some special feature about Indian states. First one, Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. The state language of Assam is Assami. Assam is known as the tea garden of India, land of red river and blue hills. Brahmaputra river is in Assam is known as the sorrow of Assam. Two national parks, that is Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park, are in Assam. Kaziranga National Park is famous for one-horned rhinos and elephant, and Manas National Park is famous for Indian tiger. Majuli Island, the biggest riverine island in the world, is in Assam. It is created by the river Ganga and Brahmaputra. Assam state is the only producer of Muga milk in India. Longest bridge, Bhupen Hazarika Bridge, also is in Assam. Next, Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Kosi river is known as the sorrow of Bihar. Valmiki National Park is in Bihar. Madhubani painting, which was practiced in Mithila region, is a famous form of painting in India. Barauni oil refinery is also in Bihar. Kesariya Stupa is the world's largest Buddhist stupa. Vardhamana Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism, is born in Vaishali, Bihar. Mahabodhi temple is in Gaya. Next, Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Bhilai steel plant is a famous steel plant which is situated in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the leading producer of iron ore in India. Indravati National Park and Sanjay National Park are in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the only tin producing state in India. Kailash Cave, Bongara Cave, Kutub Bisar Cave are in Chhattisgarh. Next, Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Goa got independence from Portuguese in 1961. Goa is the first state to use email in government office. The famous wildlife sanctuaries are Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhagavan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. Salim Ali Birds Sanctuary is also in Goa. Mollem National Park is also in Goa. It is a famous national park in India. Basilica of Bom Jesus is also in Goa. Indian Oceanography Institution is in Panaji, the capital of Goa. Goa is the first cashless state in India. Next, Gujarat. Surat is known as the Diamond City of India. Gujarat is the highest cotton producing state in India. Koyali oil refinery is also in Gujarat. Gir National Park, that is habitat of Asiatic lion, also is in Gujarat. The two famous west flowing rivers are Narmada and Tapati. Narmada is north flowing river also. Gujarat ranks first in the place of producing groundnut and second in place of producer of tobacco. Gujarat is the first position in the production of biogas. Alang is the biggest shipbreaking yard in the world is in Gujarat. Gyan Bharati Biosphere Reserve is in Rann of Kutch. The western point of India is also in Gujarat. Next, Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Haryana is known as the milk pail of India. Panipat, known as the Weavers City. National Dairy Research Institute at Karnal is also in Haryana. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice in the overseas market. Haryana is known as the Denmark of India. Next, Himachala Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, the capital of Himachala Pradesh is Shimla. Himachala Pradesh is the first fully banking state in India. Also, it is known as the first carbon-free state in India. Himachala Pradesh is known as Apple State, All-Season State and Fruit Bowl of India. The famous hill stations are Shimla Hill Station, Manali, Kulu, Dalhousie and Dharmshala. The Buddhist religion head Potala Palace is also in Himachal Pradesh. The Great Himalayan National Park is in Kulu is recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Site. Solan city is known as the Mushroom City of India. Next, Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Jharkhand means land of forest. Jharkhand is also known as tribal state, mineral state. Belta National Park, Birsa Deer Sanctuary are the famous sanctuaries in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is richest producer of minerals. Richest mineral plant are Bokaro steel plant and Jamshedpur steel plant. Ichagar, Uthawa, Chandrapura are the bird sanctuaries which are situated in Jharkhand. The tribes are Santal, Munda, Karmali. Coalfields are Girith, Zaria, Ramagar and Bokaro. Next, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Vidhana Saudha, which is the biggest legislative building in India. Bannerghatta National Park, Nagarhole National Park are in Karnataka. The first hydroelectric project, Shivanasamudra project, is in Karnataka, which is on the river Kaveri, built in 1902. Kaiga is the atomic power station of Karnataka. Gol Gumbaz is the biggest dome in India, which is also in Karnataka. Next, Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in India. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest area in the country. Madhya Pradesh having largest scheduled tribe population in India. The national parks are Khana National Park, Indravati National Park. Famous tourist spots are Khajuraho Temple, Ujjaini, Sanchi. Union Carbide Factory located here, that is in Bhopal gas tragedy took place in December 3, 1984 is also in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is known as Heart of India and Soya State. The tribes are Gondas, Bhils, Baria, Korkus. Madhya Pradesh is known as Tiger State. Indian Institute of Forest Management at Bhopal is also in Madhya Pradesh. Khajuraho Monument, Sanchi Bhimbetka Rock Shelter recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Site. Madhya Pradesh had 9 national parks. On the other hand, Union Territory Andaman and Nicobar also having highest national park, that is 9. The Madhya Pradesh national parks are Khana National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Madhav National Park, Panna National Park, Sanjay Park and so on. The Kalidas Samman, Kabir Samman are presented by Madhya Pradesh. Next, Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The major port of Maharashtra are Mumbai Port and Nhava Port. Asia's first sports university is at Pune. It is the first sports university of India too. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India. Gateway of India is at Mumbai. It was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay in December 1911. It was built by British architect George Whiteta. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is a World Heritage Site in the world, is also in Maharashtra. The famous tourist spots are Ajanta, Ellora, Elephant. Victoria Terminus station is known as the Chhatrapati Shivaji Railway Terminal. Richest offshore oil field in India is Mumbai High. The biggest stock exchange, that is Mumbai Stock Exchange, is in Maharashtra and it is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. Mumbai is called as the city of 7 islands. The major rivers flowing in Maharashtra are Koyna, Krishna, Godavari, Bhima. Gopala Krishna Gokhale as called as the Maratha Kesari and Nana Fadnavis is known as the Maratha Mekhavalli. The Ganesha Chaturthi festival is the famous festival which is celebrated in Maharashtra. Balagangadhara Tilak is initiated Ganesha Chaturthi festival in Maharashtra. His paper was Maratha Kesari. Maharashtra is the third largest and second most populous state in India. Penicillin manufacturing industry is at Pimpri is in Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station which was recognized by UNESCO. Next, Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Jawaharlal Nehru called Manipur as Jewel of India. Cable Lamjo is the only floating national park in the world is in Manipur. Loktak Lake is the biggest freshwater lake in eastern India. The tribes in Manipur are Kukis, Meiteis and Nagas. First agricultural university established at Imphal. Manipur is known as the Switzerland of East. Next, Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The languages spoken in Meghalaya are Khasi, Garo and English. Meghalaya is known as Scotland of East. The tribes are in Meghalaya are Jayantias, Khasis and Garos. The tourist spots are Elephant Waterfall, Mausmai Waterfall. The headquarters of Assam Rifle is also in Meghalaya. Rajiv Gandhi Indian Institute of Management is also in Meghalaya. The major rivers flowing in Meghalaya are Someshwari, Kopali and Digaro. Mausingram is the heaviest rainfall place in the world which is situated in the Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. Cherrapunji is the heaviest rainfall area in the world. Next, Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Mizoram established on February 20th, 1987. The rivers flowing in Mizoram are Thaleshwari, Sonai. Mizoram means land of Mizos, means Highlander. It is the first state to pass Organic Farming Act. Largest percentage of forest area also is in Mizoram. Blue Mountain is the highest peak in Mizoram. Chira is the folk dance of Mizoram. Next, Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Nagaland established in the year 1963. The rivers are Thansiri, Doyang, Dhiku and Chanji. Nagaland means village republics. The highest peak in the state Nagaland is Saramati. The festivals celebrated in Nagaland are Hornbill Festival, which is known as the Festival of Festival. The major tribes are Angami, Ho, Chaksang, Chang, Konyak. Next, Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Odisha, earlier known as Kalinga. Rourkela steel plant is also in Orissa. It is the industrial capital of Odisha. Central Rice Research Institute is in Cuttack. The tourist spots are Puri Jagannath Temple, Sun Temple, Konark. Bhubaneswar known as the Temple City or Cathedral City of India. The mountains in Orissa are Garchat Hills, Mahendragiri. River Mahanadi is known as the Sorrow of Odisha. Cuttack is the birthplace of Subhash Chandra Bose. Konark Sun Temple is known as Black Pagoda. The major rivers flowing in Orissa are Mahanadi, Brahmani. Odissi dance is known as the moving statue. Largest Earthen dam in the world is Hirakud Dam is on the river Mahanadi. Chilka is the largest lake in India. Island in Chilka are Honeymoon, Breakfast, Bacon Island. Kalinga Prize instituted by Orissa to popularize science and technology. Next, Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Punjab established in the year 1956. Chandigarh is the first planned city in India designed by French architect. Punjab means land of 5 rivers, that is Sutlej, Beas, Ravi, Jhelab and Chenab. Punjab is the highest fertilizer consuming state in India. Amritsar is the Golden Temple which is in Punjab. Punjab is the first state to come under presidential rule. Pakra Nangal project which is on the river Satluj is in Punjab. India's first sports museum started near Patiala is in Punjab. Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law is in Patiala. And also Subhash Chandra Sports University also is in Patiala. Amritsar city was founded by Guru Ramdas in 1507. The famous dance form of Punjab is Bhangra. The holiest Gurudwara of Sikh is Harminder Sahib or Amritsar or Golden Temple is at Amritsar built by Guru Arjan Dev. Punjab known as Granary of India, breadbasket of India. In Punjab, no national park are there. It is the highest percentage of scheduled caste people in India. The festivals of Punjab are Lohri, Baisakhi, Gurpurab. Largest city, that is Ludhiana, is known as the bicycle city. Amritsar city is known as the solar city. Ropar is the Indus Valley civilization site which is in Punjab. The Green Revolution also launched in Punjab. Next, Rajasthan. Capital Jaipur. The major language in Rajasthan is Rajasthani. The architect of Jaipur is Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. The hill station situated in Rajasthan is Mount Abu. Sariska Tiger Sanctuary, Ranthambore Tiger Sanctuary are in Rajasthan. India's first atomic explosion site, that is Pokhran, is in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the leading producer of marble, silver and edible oil. Oldest mountain range, that is Aravalli range, also is in Rajasthan. Birla Planetarium is in here. Jaisalmer is the desert national park in India. The Panchayat Raj system in Nagaur district of Rajasthan was introduced in the year 1959, October 2nd. Largest irrigation canal in India, that is Indira Gandhi Irrigation Canal or Rajasthan Canal, is in Rajasthan. Chittorgarh Port is the largest port in India. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak, that is in Aravalli mountain. Gateway of Thar Desert is Jodhpur. The annual 5-day Camel Festival and Livestock Fair, that is at Pushkar Mela, held in Rajasthan. River Luni is known as the famous river in Rajasthan and the other river is Chambal. Major dynasties ruled in Rajasthan are Chauhanas, Solankis, Pratiharas. Rajasthan is known as the desert state in India. The famous dance form of Rajasthan is Ghumar. Jaipur city is built by Savai Jai Singh. Udaipur city is known as Lake City. The Khetri copper mine is in Rajasthan. Sambar Lake is the largest salt lake in India. Famous Dilwara Jain temple is in Mount Abu. Kalibangan is a site of Indus Valley civilization is in Rajasthan. Next, Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, which is established in the year 1975, May 16. Gangtok High Court is the smallest high court in India. Kanchenjunga National Park is the world's highest national park and it is the third highest mountain in India. River Teesta is known as the lifeline of Sikkim. The river with the highest velocity or speed in India is River Teesta, which is after called as Brahmaputra. The ethnic communities in Sikkim are Lepchas, Bhutias and Nepalis. Sikkim is known as the botanist paradise because here 100 varieties of orchids or flowers are grown. Silk Route or Nathula Pass connects India and Tibet. Sikkim is the first state to start online lottery. Next, Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Tamil is the major language spoken in Tamil Nadu. Indira Gandhi Atomic Power Plant at Kalpakam is in Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the largest producer of lignite and cement in India. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. The major tribe is Todas. They are living in Nilagiri Hills. APJ Abdul Kalam Memorial Museum is located near Rameshwaram. Integral Coach Factory is in Chennai. The tourist spots are Ooty, Kodaikanal. Kanchipuram is known as the city of thousand temples. Vedantagal Bird Sanctuary and Madumalai Bird Wildlife Sanctuary are in Tamil Nadu. Kanchipuram is known as Silk City of India. Tamil Nadu is the first state to form Women Commando Police Force, and also it is the first state to ban mobile phone in Assembly Hall. Tuticorin is known as the salt capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the first India's agricultural bank, and also it had first India's cyber post office. Headquarter of Southern Railway is in Chennai. Language Tamil is the first language in India to get the classical language status in the year 2004. Rameshwaram is known as Dakshina Kashi. India's first biosphere reserve, Nilagiri Reserve, is in Tamil Nadu. And the government botanical garden is in Udagamandalam, that is in Ooty, which is established in the year 1848. C. Rajagopalachari is known as the Veda Raniyam Gandhi. Kudamkulam Atomic Power Plant at Tamil Nadu. The major rivers flowing in Tamil Nadu are Vaiga, Kaveri. The southern tip of India, that is in Kanyakumari, is in Tamil Nadu. The dynasties ruled Tamil Nadu are Cholas of Tanjore, Pandyas of Madurai, Pallavas of Kanchi. Tamil Nadu is earlier known as Madras. Madras became Tamil Nadu in the year 1969 and Madras became Chennai in the year 1996. Tamil Nadu is the first state made singing of Vande Mataram compulsory in schools and colleges. Longest corridor of India is in Rameshwaram. Pongal and Jallikattu are the major festivals celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is known as the granary of Tamil Nadu and South India. Salem city is known as the mango city of Tamil Nadu. Brihadeshwari temple of Tanjavur is built 1000 years ago. Pamban bridge is the longest sea bridge of South India. Namakkal is known as egg city is in Tamil Nadu. Next, Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Telangana is the new state which established in the year 2014. Telangana is the 12th largest state by area and population wise. Mahatma Gandhi bus station in Hyderabad is one of the largest bus station in Asia. The Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is in Telangana. Minerals found in Telangana are coal, bauxite and mica. South Central Railway headquarters at Sikandarabad and in Hyderabad. The commission studied about the formation of Telangana state is B.N. Sri Krishna Commission. The national park in Telangana is Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park. Rashtrapati Nilayam is at Hyderabad. Indian Air Force Academy is in Hyderabad. The first African Asian game held in Hyderabad. The rivers flowing in Telangana are Godavari and Krishna. No seaport are found in Telangana. Charminar, which was built in the year 1591 by Quli Qutub Shah, is at Hyderabad. Hyderabad city is on the banks of river Musi. Hyderabad is known as the high-tech city and the city of luck. First greenfield airport is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, which is in Hyderabad. The largest studio of Asia is Ramji Film City. Hyderabad In Hyderabad, the National Institute of Rural Development, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy are there. Central Board of Geophysics, Center for DNA Fingerprint and Diagnostic are in Telangana. Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala, which was established in the year 1972. Tripura means three cities. National Highway 8 connects Tripura with other states. The only state in India which is surrounded by three sides by Bangladesh. Tripura Sundari Express train connects Agartala with New Delhi. The first state in India to set up Family Welfare District Committee in India. Next, Uttara Pradesh. The capital of Uttara Pradesh is Lucknow. Uttara Pradesh established in the year 1950. The High Court of Uttara Pradesh is at Allahabad, the largest producer of food grains in India, and oilseeds, wheat, and sugar. Uttara Pradesh is known as the sugar bowl of India. The tourist spots are Prayag, Agra, Sikandra, Fatehpur Sikri, Mathura, Ayodhya. In Sikandra, the tomb of Akbar is found. Fatehpur Sikri is the capital of Akbar. Mathura is the birthplace of Sri Krishna, and Ayodhya is the birthplace of Sri Rama. Aligarh Muslim University, Saranath and Kanpur are the other tourist spots in Uttara Pradesh. Kanpur is known as the Manchester of North India. Kumbh Mela at Allahabad or Prayagraj held in every 12th year. Uttara Pradesh shares border with 8 states. Uttara Pradesh is the only state which is sharing highest border with the other states, and it also shares the border with one union territory, that is Delhi. Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is in Uttara Pradesh. The religious capital of India is Varanasi. Central Drug Research Institute is at Lucknow. Uttara Pradesh is the first set up regional rural bank at Moradabad, and the first Dalit women CM of Uttara Pradesh is Mayawati. Govind Vallabha Pant Agricultural University is the first agricultural university in India. Narora Atomic Power Station is also in Uttara Pradesh. Banaras Hindu University is at Varanasi. The major rivers flowing in Uttar Pradesh are Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Sarayu, Ramganga and Gomati. The former name of Uttar Pradesh is United Province, and which was renamed as Uttar Pradesh in the year 1950. The tourist spot are Kushinagar, which is where Lord Buddha attained Nirvana, Kannauj, the capital of Harshavardhana, Meerut, where the first revolt of Indian independence took place. Prime meridian of India 82.5 degree passes through Allahabad. Allahabad High Court is the biggest high court in India. Lucknow city is known as the city of Nawabs, is on the banks of river Gomati. National Botanical Research Institute is at Lucknow. Varanasi is known as the cultural capital of India, which is on the bank of the river Ganga. Annie Besant founded Missionaries of Charity here. Aligarh Muslim University is founded by Syed Ahmad Khan. Kanpur is known as financial capital, industrial capital, economic capital of Uttara Pradesh. And also it is known as leather city of the world and Manchester of North India. The famous dance form of Uttara Pradesh is Kathak. Next, Arunachala Pradesh. The capital of Arunachala Pradesh is Itanagar. The coalfields are Namchik Nampuk coalfield. The national park found in Arunachala Pradesh are Nandapa and Mauling National Park. Arunachala Pradesh is known as the Northeast Frontier State earlier, and it is renamed as Arunachala Pradesh after independence. The eastern point of India is Kibitu is in Arunachala Pradesh. Next, Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Uttarakhand established in the year 2000. The High Court of Uttarakhand is at Nainital. Indian Military Academy and Central Forest Research Institute of India is at Dehradun. Mussoorie is known as the Queen of Hills in India. The birthplace of Chipko movement is also in Uttarakhand. Indian Petroleum Research Institute and Survey of India is also in Uttarakhand. Tehri Dam is built across river Bhagirathi. India's first engineering college built in Roorkee. The rivers flowing in Uttarakhand are Ganga, Yamuna, Bhagirathi and Alakananda. The languages spoken in Uttarakhand are Hindi, Sanskrit. Hill stations are in Uttarakhand are Mussoorie and Nainital. The famous Hindu pilgrim places are Devaprayag, Haridwar, Kedarnath, Badrinath and Rishikesh. Rishikesh is known as the yoga capital of the world. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing and Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy is also in Dehradun. Jim Corbett National Park is the first national park in India recognized in the year 1936. Next, West Bengal. West Bengal established in the year 1956. The capital is Kolkata. Writers Building is the seat of government of West Bengal. Bengal is known as Vanga in ancient time. West Bengal is the first state to give 30% reservation for women. And Salt Lake Stadium is the stadium which is famous for football game in India. Durgapur Steel Plant is also in West Bengal. River Damodar is known as Sorrow of Bengal. First metro train service and underground railway system in India started in West Bengal. The major port of West Bengal are Kolkata and Haldia. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute and paddy in India. Kolkata is the first science city of India. Ravindra Setu or Howrah Bridge are in West Bengal. Zoological Garden and Zora Sankro Thakubari are in West Bengal, which is the birthplace of Tagore. Vishwabharati University of Tagore is at Kolkata. City of Kolkata is founded by Job Carnock. Rivers are flowing in Kolkata are Ganga, Damodar and Hooghly. Kolkata was renamed as Kolkata in the year 2001. Kolkata was the capital of British in India till 1911. Later, the capital transferred to Delhi. Kolkata, known as cultural capital of India and city of joy and Mecca of Indian football. Darjeeling is the famous hill station in Bengal. Gorkhaland and Himalayan Mountaineering Institute are in Darjeeling. The largest delta, Sundarban Delta, is in West Bengal. Sundarban National Park, Buksa National Park are in West Bengal. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport are in West Bengal. The festival celebrated in West Bengal is Durga Puja. West Bengal is the leading producer of rice in India. The largest Indian stadium by capacity is Salt Stadium. Tomb of Mother Teresa is in Kolkata and Mother Teresa founded Missionaries of Charity in 1950 at Kolkata. Next, Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Kolleru Freshwater Lake is in Andhra Pradesh. Hindustan Shipyard Limited at Visakhapatnam, which was established in the year 1941. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of tobacco in India, and Andhra Pradesh is having the largest coastline area. On the other hand, Gujarat is having largest coastline in India and second largest coastline area is in Andhra Pradesh. Next, Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala is known as God's own country. Tumba Rocket Launching Center, renamed as Vikram Sarabhai Space Research Center, is at Thiruvananthapuram. Kochi is known as Queen of Arabian Sea and Kollam is known as Prince of Arabian Sea. The largest shipyard in India is Cochin Shipyard. The longest railway bridge in India is Vembanad Railway Bridge. Kollam is known as cashew capital of the world. The famous Hindu pilgrim centers are Shabarimala Temple, Trishurpura Temple, Ananta Padmanabha Temple. Kerala is the leading producer of thorium in India, and the highest airport in India is in Kerala. Kerala having 4 international airport. These all about Indian states, some special features and so. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Thank you.